Yo, what is going on YouTube? It's your boy King David, aka you know the rest. Back again with a video, man. This one I'm gonna be talking about setting up your DSLR camera on a ring light. This ring light here, pretty cheap ring light, something that I'm trying out for streams and stuff like that. That's gonna be the camera right there. It's a Canon. Let's see if I can get it to focus. T7i, also known as the Canon 80D. It's a pretty good camera, man. I use it on my streams. Probably gonna start using it for videos as well. But in the meantime, I ended up getting this ring light, and it came with some attachments. But the attachments that it came with didn't allow for me to connect it to the ring light. The attachment that it came with was a phone holder that screwed into there, and you could put almost any size phone in there. The phone holder was a decent size, but I wanted to put my DSLR camera in there. So what I did was I went on Amazon and searched for something that would allow for it to plug, screw into the actual ring light and then screw into the bottom of the camera. Now the name of these, as you can see, are monopole shoulder rig tripod. They were about $4-5 on Amazon. You get, let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because I got one on the desk. You get 5 in the pack, and essentially it allows you to screw in the bottom part into the camera, get that to focus, and then the other side into the ring light, like this. So you'll screw this into the actual ring light. It'll sit there like that, and then you could take, like, I have a couple of different heads for that camera. So I don't want to just set the camera on top of that, because I want the camera to have some type of motion to it. So I'll be using, this is the actual, what you want to call, tripod holder or whatever. This is actually what came with the ring light. So I'm going to be screwing this into the bottom of the camera, and then this side is going to be screwed onto the bottom or the top of the screw that's now inserted into the ring light. So I'll be right back with you guys once I have that done. Alright, so I was finally able to get it installed, and this is what it's looking like. This is not the actual ring light that I'm going to be going with. I have one on order right now from Newegg. It's the newer 18-inch. So it's a little bigger than this one. I think this one is only like a 12 or 14-inch ring light. From I think it's made by Bauer. But that's what it looks like. It's just sitting on that little screw down there that I mentioned earlier. And it's a 1/4 inch screw that you can get from off Amazon. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys that's interested in the screw. The ring lights you can get from just about anywhere. Amazon, like I said, Newegg, eBay. This one I think cost about $10 to $20. Comes with like a little remote where you could dim. You can make it like the natural color where it's like an orangish glow, or extremely bright, and it has, like, I don't know, 8 or 9 levels adjustable levels of brightness, so that way it's not extremely bright on your face or whatever. It's pretty decent, works good. I got it set up with my smart home so I can also tell. Let me see if I could do this with while I'm recording. Okay, Google, turn on the ring light.
All right, turning the ring light on.
And then it turns on, and then you can adjust it, like I said, from this little remote. Let me see if I can do it while trying to record. Yeah, it gets pretty bright. Hope I didn't blind anybody, but yeah, I think that's the highest it goes as far as brightness. And then you could change like the color to like a, I don't know, like almost an orangish glow. And then you could dim it. Let me see. Okay, where's the button? Oh, there it is. So as you can see, it dims. But yeah, it's, like I said, it was about, I think the actual price of it was like $20, but ended up getting it for around 10 or something like that on sale around Christmas, around Christmas time. But yeah, in order to install it on this one, you're gonna have to get these, because it's actually not made for a DSLR camera. You know, it's actually made for a phone. So you're definitely gonna have to get those 1/4 inch, I want to say what, male to male adapters is what they're called for DSLR cameras. And then you can install it, and yeah, this is what it's looking like installed. This ring light puts off a very good amount of light, especially for how close I sit to my monitors. I'm not that far away, plus I have a little light over there, a little cheap light. I didn't go for their key lights or key light air and all of that, because these right here put off decent amount of light, and it suits me for what I'm doing. But anyway, I just wanted to drop this little video, just a little bit of knowledge, just in case somebody out there ended up purchasing one of these and was wondering how the hell do they get their DSLR camera to sit up there. This is the way you do it, man. I'll like I said, I'll drop the link in the description of where you can get these actual adapters from on Amazon. I think they had quite a bit left, so I don't think that they're sold out. But anyway, man, yeah, it's your boy King David signing off. But before I'm done, I want to give you guys a little quick preview of a video that's to come on my setup, things that I've done. I've changed a few things. Got another setup over here. Also putting the setup right here. And just built this little Pac-Man, vintage Pac-Man little arcade system. I might drop a video on this soon as well, if that video doesn't go up first. But anyway, like I said, it's your boy King David signing out. Like the video, you know what to do. Don't like the video, you know what to do. It's your boy. And remember, we lit King shit. Peace.